My name is Matthieu. I live in Brasilia, Brazil, and I'm the director of the Alliance Française in Brasilia. I'm 40 years old.
When we travel to Colombia, he gets sick.
No!
It's a kind of a flu and a problem of digestion, something like that. He felt really, really bad, and I have to call doctors and to take care of him and so on. And they have to make an injection for him in the ass. And I was in the room saying, "Fuck, beautiful, but really very good shape."
Mamadou is a very charismatic guy. He's a good friend, mature and self-confident, you know, and very stable and inspires, confidence, really. By accident, because he was posted here and I was here, so we had to meet each other. I had no choice, So I was the first person he met when he arrived in Brasilia, and I hosted him at the Alliance Française, and this is how we met. He flirts a lot, always, saying things to girls outside, in the streets. He's tall, he's handsome, so I'm jealous. He has several relationships at the same time. At least 2 persons at the same time. I don't know. Come on, my superpower, I can stay awake more than 40 hours without sleeping. Spirit, vegetable, carrot. What I expect from a friend, honesty, faithfulness, understanding. That's it. Probably the most important thing in life with family. Yes, I think Brazilian people are really open to making new friends and meeting people and have interest, in getting in touch with foreigners. So I feel yes, it's not been difficult here to meet people and to have new friendships. Yes. I will send you to my friend and colleague Barbara. She's Brazilian. I think she was born in Brasilia, but part of her family is from Pirenópolis, a small city 2 hours distant from Brasilia. And I work with her. I've known her for probably 2 years, and she's very lively. She's funny. She's professional, and I'm sure you will have a good contact with her. She's always happy and has good sense of humor. She's easy to get on. She's dynamic, and I appreciate her. Yeah.